You have an oscillating brain. It creates radiation that turns into sound. Your ears, they receive sound and they turn them into electrical pulses. In your brain, you receive these electrical pulses very quickly that is interpreted at the frequency of sound. So therefore you hear the common human sound frequencies. So when you think, your conscious mind creates electromagnetic radiation that is highly oscillating, and it creates electromagnetic radiation that gets reduced into either electrical signals with sensitive organic molecules that are sensitive to electromagnetic radiation. It turns into an electrical signal that actually causes oxygen and your own molecules of your body to vibrate. And it can actually basically be a principle called electromagnetic radiation sound. It's where somehow atoms change in gravity, okay, based on how much energy they have. You can see it in nature. It is when the sun warms the clouds and the wind begins to blow. So therefore, different frequencies can affect different matter differently, and they can cause them to have motion. And atoms can create this motion, and therefore it can be transmitted through a body of atoms that are very similar, and then transmit into a sound. It turns into a low frequency. It gets reduced, and low frequency equals sound, but only if the gravity can change. So that's the theory of being psychic, is the change in gravity from electromagnetic radiation, electricity, and the motion of energy. So different energies have different amounts of constant timing, and how you put out your radiation from your mind is how much volume the sound will have. You have a circuit in your brain that interprets sound, converts it into electricity, and it also converts it into light. Because anytime an electron moves, light is created. So therefore, it goes back and forth. You can actually hear things without having ears. If that circuit is created any kind of electrical pulse, you can hear these things, because it also not only creates electricity, it changes gravity, and it also changes the reduction, which is into some form of entrapped sound waves. So that's what human is. We receive signals